Hey, my name's Heather, and I have lost 22 pounds on the Waste Away diet.
Hi, I'm Deb. I am 27 pounds down since reading the Chantel Ray Way.
When it came to eating and dieting, I couldn't do it. I would lose weight, then I'd gain it, and I literally went on every single diet known to man. So what I did was I interviewed over 1,000 women, and I interviewed people who have been thin their whole life. They're not in bondage to food. And I said, what did you do? Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What did you do? What did you eat? How'd you do it?
Do you think you follow the 80-20 principle?
Probably that, but I don't focus on doing it that way.
You don't focus on it. It just happens to be that way. Right. That's the key.
I then created 10 biblical principles from all those verses that I read. Then I also created 10 Chantel Ray Way principles that I really got from all these thin eaters. And the Bible talks about, in Matthew chapter 6, it says, when you give, when you pray, when you fast.
Do you want to learn how to think like a thin eater? How you can heal your body, identify your eating window, and to never deny yourself again? Order your copy of Waste Away, the Chantel Ray Way today.